Changing a ignition switch, 99 Honda Accord LX. First you want to start by removing your screws on the underside steering wheel. Should have 3 of them. After you remove the 3 screws, the top just separates like that. It comes right off. You want to lower your steering wheel down all the way. The plug is all the way in the back on the left hand side. I already disconnected mine. Follow it back up and it's connected to this one. So you're going to have to disconnect that before you get going. Got 2 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom.